hanging here. Oh my God, my hair. Okay, I just got home from dropping Elia off. My son is sleeping. He just went down for a nap. Why do I look like this? I went downstairs to change because I don't like to get ready upstairs. He still sleeps in our room. This is like, what is this? So I put on this dress. I got it for Christmas. I haven't worn it. I don't know why I haven't worn it. And then as I was like in the dark trying to find something to wear, I just grabbed something and I walked out and I was like, oh, it's this. Okay, well, that's fine. And it's so cute, you guys. It's like, I don't know. I need to wear this to like a school. Like, I feel like I look like my kid has a uniform that looks so similar to this. And whenever she wears it, I'm like, I need something like that. My hair has gotten so long and I have been like, and it's definitely from pregnancy for sure, but my hair has just been so healthy too. But I am going through a little bit of postpartum hair loss as well because my hair is getting, you know, hormones, and I'm like a little over 5 months out. But it's gotten better. I will say it's gotten way better because I decided to just like step up on my supplement game and vitamins and stuff. And it's definitely helped. Like before, when I would brush my hair, you guys, I would have like tumbleweeds of hair. Now when I shower, it's still some, but it's definitely better than it was, which is so nice. And I think my hair is like getting way shinier and stronger too, which is really great. I do need to get a haircut though. After I use dry shampoo, I don't know what it is, you guys, but I have to wash my hands. Like my hands get so disgusting. Like there's like this feeling, like film, powderiness on my hands. My son is asleep. Oh my God, you guys, like I'm so tired, but I just need a little moment to myself. And there's never like a consistent routine yet because a 5-month-old that isn't sleeping through the night, like how am I supposed to get consistency right now? It's just not possible. So I really wanted to like make it a point when I was done breastfeeding to really like get myself back on track. I really wanted to make sure I started taking vitamins and supplements. So I'm going to take my Parallel Symbiotic Green Powder. So this is pregnancy and breastfeeding safe. Great. I love this stuff. And I've noticed like a really big difference when I use it too. Take my Symbiotic Greens powder, which this stuff has been so helpful. And this has been really helpful with like my immune system and then my digestion overall. It just helps me like from not getting sick. Like my kid brings home all kinds of germs from school and I need to stay on top of it. I cannot afford to get sick right now. I'm barely sleeping through the night. The last thing I need is to be sick. It literally tastes like berries or something. So the other thing I take is the Parallel Mom Multi Support Pack. This has been the biggest game changer for me. Like I absolutely love these vitamins and I like that it's just in these, in this little packet. So these daily packs were created with OBGYNs and like dietitians. So you get 2 multivitamins in here. You got an omega DHA and EPA, which is supposed to help with your brain and heart health. There's a beauty blend supplement and then a stress support blend as well. So overall, like it's covering your mood, it's covering your brain fog, it's covering to strengthen your hair and your nails, and then just your overall health and your nutrition with the multivitamin. My brain fog, I swear, like I can actually focus better. Just little things I'm like noticing since I started taking this about like 15 days ago. It has significantly helped. And then of course, like I talk all the time about like how my postpartum hair loss has been wild. I've noticed a very big difference in how much I'm shedding. It's significantly less. It's definitely way more manageable and not as like alarming. And I really think it has to do with just the supplements and the vitamins that I'm taking. I'm just really excited to quote unquote go on my health journey and like get back into working out again and just like feeling 100%. But right now, the little things that I can do to make my mood better and just my overall like well-being for myself and my children and my family, like I need to be as 100% as I can. So I will leave my discount code for you guys here. I'll have it linked down below for you guys as well. Okay, I'm gonna walk you guys through a little bit of my makeup, my skincare at least. Let's do it. Skincare. So I'm gonna start with the Reset by Iris and Romeo. I've been loving this. It's a hyaluronic spray. So there's a serum in it, but you can just spray it on. Do some lip balm. This, so good. Dream Oasis by Summer Fridays. You want your skin to look good, you have to just hydrate it. Then I go in with some of Rhode Glazing Fluid. Lather my skin in this, and then I go in with this Proactive Clean Clearing Hydrator. It's just a daily moisturizer that helps to like prevent breakouts and stuff. So I love this. Spray my face one more time. I'll take Full Orbit, the best eye cream in the world. Next thing I do, I go in my makeup bag. My eyebrows are really unruly right now. I'm getting them done on Friday. And I take some eyebrow gel. Just kind of comb them over. The Rare Beauty brow gel, I feel like is so underrated. It's so good. And has like really nice hold too. I'm gonna take the Say Super Glow, Star Glow, and I just apply this to give myself a little bit more luminosity. Really looks like a lit from within glow. I love this stuff, it's so good. Okay, I'm gonna take my brow pencil and I'm just going to fill it in a little bit. Filling in very well where my brows look nuts. Take my dual-ended brush, dip it into my stretch concealer, put eyes, take my bronzer, my Gucci bronzer, and I just feel like this just ties everything together. When I have concealer on, I'll always just do skincare, bronzer, and concealer. You don't need a lot either. I'm just going to use this Patrick Ta She's Baked. Same. I'm gonna take the powder. I'm gonna just focus it on the high points of my cheeks and temple. Okay. I'm gonna take my eyelash curler. I'm just gonna curl my lashes. I swear, I would benefit so well from a lash lift. Wouldn't have to do this every time I got ready. I just like don't have time to do mascara. I feel like mascara takes so much time unless like I said, it changes all the time. My reasoning as to why I don't and do mascara takes a while for me. So I think just opening the eyes like that looks so good. Okay, and that's it. That's all I do. I don't even spray my face. Just because it's like for an everyday kind of look, skin vibe, just really easy. Okay, let me show you guys. I just got the package just came in. I think it's from Aritzia. I figured I would just show it in this vlog. So first thing I got is a sweater. I need a gray cardigan. I just need one, whether or not like I'm actually gonna be wearing it. I also love like the look of like a gray cardigan just sort of hanging over you, especially if you're wearing black, which I wear black all the time. Ignore the tags, but just like, I don't know, Sunday best line. And it's just a light gray cardigan, super cute, like these. And I got mine in a size small. And then I got this as well. They came in, I have another order I placed with them, but they were sent separately. So I have like this gray t-shirt, which I'll show you guys another time because it's in the wash. But I also got this is the Sunday Best shirt. What is this called? Shearling Blue. And I got this in a medium. I need a collared shirt like this, especially to wear under, like, I really want to wear it underneath like a crew neck sweater, so like the collar can pop out, maybe with like a navy sweater on top. I thought would be cute with the sleeves as well. And then I got it in a medium so that I can either like tuck it in if I'm wearing a crew neck over it, or I figured I could also wear this for spring. I feel like this color is very spring, very cute, and I love a button down. I have this one from Aritzia as well. It's like my favorite one. I wear it all the time. It's black, but I got this. It's already like quite oversized, but I got it in a medium because I think it'll look really cute with like denim shorts or denim. Obviously it's gonna be ironed, but I just really like this shirt. So I got that, super excited. I'm gonna go through my closet hopefully this weekend and sort of dwindle down just pieces I don't wear anymore and stuff like that, because after I gave birth and I'm like starting to like fit back into my clothes, I'm like going through my closet and everything that's in there I just would never wear anymore. A lot of it's like crop tops and just stuff I don't like. Like I need regular basics, which I did place my order from Aritzia and got like long sleeve basics, short sleeve basics, and then I got some jeans. So I just really want to like get that all in order, because the clothing I had before like was giving, like now I'm like, I have a family, I just want to feel a little bit more sophisticated in what I wear. And a lot of like my closet pieces that I have right now do not reflect my reality. So I really want to find stuff that really represents me. And what I wear lately is just like simple basics with nice tailored jeans. Like I have this dress on that's super cute, and I wear like oversized stuff as well. But just everything I have in that closet is like, who would wear this stuff? Because it's not me. And I have my best friend Alex coming over. She's gonna watch Mason for a little bit while I get some other work stuff done. So that's really nice. But yeah, I need to like film TikToks today as well, which is a whole other process. So